Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping inside one of Los Angeles' most jaw-dropping architectural masterpieces, a $45,000 modern mega mansion that redefines the meaning of luxury living. This isn't just a home, it's a full-blown experience, a place where every inch has been designed for indulgence, entertainment, and serenity. From the moment you step through the massive pivot door, you can feel that this house was made for those who appreciate modern art, refined materials, and flawless craftsmanship. As you enter, you're greeted by a breathtaking open-concept layout, bathed in natural light thanks to towering floor-to-ceiling glass walls. The panoramic views stretch across Los Angeles, from the city skyline to the distant ocean, blending the indoors with the outdoors in perfect harmony. The soaring ceilings, floating staircase, and sculptural lighting immediately set the tone for what's to come. Every surface, from the Italian marble floors to the custom oak paneling, feels meticulously chosen to exude elegance and modern comfort. Moving into the great room, you'll find a seamless flow between the living, dining, and lounge areas, each space designed to maximize openness and light. The main living area is anchored by a stunning linear fireplace set against a massive stone feature wall, surrounded by plush designer furniture. It's the kind of room where you can host an elegant cocktail evening, or simply relax while watching the sunset light up the city below. Right next to it, the dining space is pure sophistication, with a custom table for 14 hanging beneath an avant-garde chandelier that looks like floating glass art. Just beyond, the gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances, sleek cabinetry, and a double marble island. It offers both form and function. There's even a hidden prep kitchen tucked behind for caterers and events, keeping the main space pristine during gatherings. As you move through the home, the indoor-outdoor connection becomes more and more pronounced. Retractable glass walls open completely to reveal an expansive terrace that blurs the line between house and nature. Here, you'll find one of the most stunning outdoor entertainment areas in Los Angeles. A massive infinity-edge pool overlooks the city, seemingly spilling right into the skyline. The sound of the cascading water merges with the gentle breeze, creating a feeling of total tranquility. And then, the highlight of this property, the outdoor spa. This isn't your ordinary hot tub setup. It's a full outdoor wellness sanctuary featuring a custom stone jacuzzi, an infrared sauna, a cold plunge pool, and even a fire pit lounge built into the hillside. Surrounded by lush landscaping, palm trees, and soft lighting, this area feels like a private resort retreat. It's the perfect spot to unwind under the stars, with the city lights glittering below you. The mansion spans over 25,000 square feet and includes 9 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms, each one designed with unique materials and personality. The primary suite deserves a spotlight of its own. Occupying nearly an entire floor, it offers a private terrace, a sitting lounge with a dual-sided fireplace, and a spine-inspired bathroom that feels like stepping into a 5-star hotel. With a soaking tub framed by city views, a massive rainfall shower, dual vanities, and a boutique-style walk-in closet, this suite embodies the very definition of modern luxury. On the entertainment level, the home transitions from serene to sensational. Here, you'll find a private movie theater with tiered seating, acoustic paneling, and a sound system that rivals commercial cinemas. There's also a full bar and lounge area that opens onto a second outdoor terrace with fire features, making it perfect for hosting parties or private screenings. The fitness and wellness facilities are just as impressive. Alongside a fully equipped gym with glass walls overlooking the pool, you'll find a yoga and meditation area, a massage suite, and direct access to the outdoor spa, allowing you to move seamlessly between workouts and relaxation. Art lovers will appreciate how the mansion has been designed as a living gallery. Wide hallways, curated lighting, and strategically placed niches make it ideal for displaying sculptures and fine art collections. Each corner has been crafted to balance visual impact with serenity, a rare combination that defines the best of Los Angeles luxury design. Of course, no mansion at this level is complete without cutting-edge technology. The entire property is powered by a smart home system that lets you control lighting, climate, security, and music from your phone. With discrete sensors, hidden speakers, and automated blinds, every environment adjusts to your preferences effortlessly. Stepping out onto the rooftop deck, you'll find another level of breathtaking beauty. With a full outdoor kitchen, dining area, and fire lounge, it's one of the best spots in the city to entertain or relax. From sunrise yoga sessions to late-night cocktails under the stars, this rooftop captures everything that makes Los Angeles living so extraordinary. The property also includes a glass-walled garage designed to showcase your car collection like an art display, with polished floors, LED lighting, and space for multiple luxury vehicles. It's a dream setup for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Every element of this $45,000 modern mansion was created to impress, not just through scale, but through experience. It's a home that offers privacy, peace, and prestige, all in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Los Angeles. Whether you're hosting an extravagant celebration or seeking quiet moments of escape, this residence provides the ultimate canvas for any lifestyle. From the infinity pool and spa retreat to the architectural details and curated interiors, this is a property that embodies perfection in design and living. It's not just a house. It's a statement, a lifestyle, and a dream realized at the highest level. If you enjoyed this tour inside one of Los Angeles' most breathtaking modern mega mansions, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to DreamSpace Luxury, and turn on notifications, because we have even more incredible dream homes coming your way soon.